Today's walk is through the garden, where we may learn many beautiful things about how nature is not just a place to enjoy, but yet vital for our health on many levels. As we look through and find all of the fairies and the missions, then we allow ourselves to focus in on the things of value, making sure that we are watering the plants while also moving through and getting our feet into the grass. It's dichondria, fantastic stuff, amazing for many things. As we are working, then we walk through and we can see the fruits growing. These many fruits allow us to remind us of the slow process of the nature of life. The nature of life moves through many stages. So we're going to take it back to the first stage, the very, very important one, where we focus on the working bees. As you can see, these bees are very fastidiously going to each individual tree, collecting the pollen. You can see they have collected here on their legs. Very interesting. And as they collect the pollen, this is not just a beautiful process to witness. It also reminds us how it is valuable to take those everyday small tasks lightheartedly, yet also very important. The value that we create by taking on small everyday tasks that one might call rituals. Then these rituals create habits, and our habits create our lifestyle. Lifestyle is what governs how we will move through our life, because the lifestyle that we choose allows us to come to the successes or the harder lessons continually, sometimes called suffering. Suffering is an option in life, yet pain is inevitable. Letting go, absolutely necessary. Slowing down, learning from our misfortunes to create the greater fortunes. You see, the great fortunes that we have in life are from those small ritual tasks called habits that we pay attention to. What we pay attention, what we pay our attention to is what we are paying attention to. The dragonfly, a very curious animal. Never in its wildest dreams, when it is sitting underwater, swimming, does it think that it will become and out, breathing air if it breathes. Will it be able to fly and explore the nature of looking at the trees and the plants? Isn't this a beautiful magnolia? Fantastic plant. Oh, we all do love the magnolia. Such a gorgeous, and look at the drips on it. Check out those drips. Ah, a spectacle all in itself. Wow. Such amazing things. Oh, and look, we have a tiny little grass-hopping creature right there. Can you see it? Great camouflage. Camouflage is one of those great things in nature that helps us to not be identified. Many animals use camouflage, some better than others. This is why the octopus and the chameleon really do have a strong sense of wisdom. Within them, in their skin, yes, this skin is something that this year in the wood snake, oh, is it? Yes. Then we may learn many things from the shedding of a snake, but I believe this is enough schooling for now, enough philosophy of life and style. Signing off.